Hello. I'm making this response because I saw your video and it didn't help much. Now my problem is that I had last night all I did was I powered down my iPhone simply by holding this button right here. So I powered down my iPhone and I did that, and I let it shut down. And the next morning, when I tried to press the home button, nothing happened. There was nothing happening. I tried holding the main power over here, and nothing happened. I tried holding down the home button for 10 seconds, and nothing happened. So I need help. If you know anything about this, please do a video response or do a comment or something, because I cannot turn my iPhone. I even tried to connect my iPhone with the charger and nothing happened. I tried everything. I was pressing buttons. Nothing happened. So please, I need your help. Thank you.